What do those raisins represent?
Beetles.
Beetles. What are you using, Taylor?
Tweezers.
How's it working?
Good, but I keep getting the birds. Really good for me. I got 4 gummy bears.
Okay, what beak are you using, Jacob?
I'm using the spoon beak.
Is it working?
Yes, it's working.
What are you trying to eat?
I'm trying to eat earthworms.
What do these macaroni noodles represent?
Grubs.
Grubs? Are you sure it's grubs?
Snails.
Snails. Okay, Angel, what are you using?
A spoon.
How's it working? Elisha, what about you?
I'm using tweezers and it's working.
So do you think these types of beaks would be good for catching snails?
Yes.
What are you trying to eat?
Grubs.
Grubs. What type of beak are you using? How's it working?
Terrible.
What about you, Isabella? How's it working for you?
Good.
Grandma too. Trace, how's it going for you?
I only got 2.
Okay, what kind of food are we at here? Right here, Gerald, and it's
Birdseed.
birdseed. Now, Gerald, you're using a straw. What did you use for your first attempt?
I used a spoon.
Okay, which one's working best? Which one worked best?
I would have to say the straw because I'm getting all the bird seed.
Okay. Esperanza, what about you? What's working best?
My spoon.
Your spoon. Okay, girls. What do the paper clips and the staples stand for?
It stands for the fish and the flash.
Fish and flesh. So which one of your beaks is working the best?
I would have to say toothpick.
Your toothpick and Brianna's spoon's working the best. Okay, Willie and Sophia, what do the raisins represent?
The beetles.
Beetles. Okay, you're using a toothpick and a straw. Which one of your beaks is working the best? Has worked the best?
The straw.
Straw. What about your spoons? How did your spoons work?
Very good.
Very good.
You can pick up almost like anything with that.
Oh, Sophia, looks like you've got a lot of beetles. Willie, looks like you've got a lot of beetles too. Tracy, what type of beak are you using? How's it working?
Kind of good.
Now, what are you trying to get?
Macaroni.
Which is what? What does that represent?
That represents snails.
Snails. Now, what do you think is going to work better, your toothpick or the spoon? Why don't you think the toothpick will work in the birdseed?
Because it won't pick up any.
So do you think a bird that has a beak like a toothpick, do you think they'd be able to eat birdseed? No. Okay, before we start at the nectar station, what do you think's going to pick up more nectar? Okay, straw or spoon. Okay. Now, Kaden, do you think a bird that has a beak like a straw, do you think it could really eat those beetles? Do you think it can pick it up? Well, you're picking yours up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So which one works better?
Let's do the spoon.
What about you, Brianna? Which one of yours? Spoon works better than the straw?
Because she got more.
Oh. Okay, nectar station. Which worked best? Was your prediction correct? So was your prediction correct?
Yes.
Explain to me what happened.
I was trying to get 2 at a time, and then the tweezers kept coming along.
So what's the saying that I just taught y'all?
The early bird gets the worm.